Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Square POS to QuickBooks Online for bookkeeping step by step clearly.
Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and log into your account.
Once logged in, access the dashboard to begin the integration process.
In a new tab, visit the Square website and log into your Square account. Ensure you have both accounts set up and ready for connection. Now, return to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on the Apps option. In the Apps section, search for Square using the search bar. Locate the Square app from the results and click on it. You will see an option to connect or integrate the Square app with QuickBooks Online. Click the Get App Now or Connect button. This will redirect you to the Square authorization page. Log into your Square account if prompted and authorize access to your QuickBooks account. Review the permissions required and click Allow. Return to QuickBooks Online after authorization. You will be asked to configure your settings for the integration. Select which Square transactions you want to sync with QuickBooks. Common options include sales from different payment types, refunds, and tips. Choose how often you want the data to sync between Square and QuickBooks. Options usually include daily, weekly, or manual syncs. Once you've made your selections, click Connect or Save Settings. QuickBooks will now link with your Square account. You may see a confirmation message once the connection is successful. Check your QuickBooks dashboard for any notifications regarding the integration. Once set up, you can start reviewing your Square transactions in QuickBooks. To view imported transactions, go to the Sales section in QuickBooks. Here, you should see all imported sales data from Square. Make periodic checks to ensure the integration is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.